Okay. When I will click on this green flag, a list of fruit will be shown. Okay, can you see it? That apple, banana, orange, mango. This list contains 4 items: apple, banana, orange, and mango. And Abby is asking us that which fruit you want. If I will write here mango, okay, if I will write here mango, so it will say okay, and she will hide. Okay, and if we click on the green flag again, and now if we write the name of a fruit which is not present in this list, for example, we don't have uh
Cherry.
yes, what are you saying?
I said cherry.
What do you say? I can't understand.
Cherry.
Cherry. Okay, now cherry is not present in this list. So if I will write cherry right here, okay, and if I will press the enter key, so Abby will say that sorry, we don't have it. Okay. So in today's class, we are going to make this little project using list. Okay. So I'm sharing my screen again.
I only know the thing is to make the background, and I love the background you made. And the variables are the apple, banana, and mango. That's the only.
Okay, now can you see my screen, Mina and Yaya?
आपको talking नजर आया? Yes.
Okay.
वैसे
Can
आपको
you
और
both
भी
see my screen?
चाहिए थे। शायद आपको ताकि आपको लेटर्स
Okay.
है। अब इसको गरम।
Yaya, mute yourself, okay? Okay. Now, first of all, what do we want? We do not want this sprite here. So we will just delete it, okay? And then we will add Abby. We will add Abby from here, okay? And now we can increase the size of Abby. Okay, we will increase it a little bit. All right. Now what we have to do, we have to select a backdrop. In the project I showed you before, that backdrop was being downloaded by internet, okay? So we don't have that backdrop. So what we can do, we can choose any backdrop we want, okay? Or
I
if
can make that same background.
yes, or if you want to download, or if you want to make a backdrop by yourself, then you can do it also, okay? Now I will, okay, now I will select any backdrop which I like, okay? Okay, I can choose colorful city, okay?
Okay.
Now what we have to do, first of all, we have to create a list, okay? How we can create a list? If we go in the variables section, okay, you can see that if we want to make a variable, we can click on this option that make a variable. But you can see that there is another option, make a list. Can you see it?
Yeah, that's what I was pointing my arrow at.
Yes,
Yeah.
there is an option, make a list. If you want to create any list, you can click on this option, make a list, and you can write here the name of the list, okay? Just remember that a variable and what is the difference between a variable and a list? The difference is that a variable can only store one type of data, okay? At a time, it can store only one type of data. For example, if we create a variable of a score, so it will only store the numbers, okay? It will only store the numbers, but the list is different from the variable. How it is different is that a list can contain multiple types of data, okay? Now I will name my list fruit, okay? I will name my list fruit. And now when I will create this, you will see that there is a list shown, okay? Which, what is the name of the list?
Fruit.
Fruit, okay? Right now, this list is empty, okay? you can see that there are no fruits in the list. That's why you can see that under the fruit is written empty. Can you see it, Mina?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if you want to add items in the list, so first of all, whenever you will make a list, all there will be new blocks added in the list section. Can you see that there are new blocks added?
Oh yeah.
Okay. The first block is add thing to fruit. What will this block do? This block is used if you want to add a thing in a list. Okay. The second block is delete one of fruit. This block is used for deletion in the list. Okay. And if you want to delete all the items in the list, you can use this third block that delete all of fruit. Okay.
Okay.
And then we have a block insert thing at one of fruit. This, what will this block do? That this block will insert an item on a specific position. Okay.
Okay.
And then we have replace item of fruit with thing. What will it do? That it can replace any item you want. And then we have different blocks. We have show list fruit for showing the list and hide list for hiding the list. Okay. Now, if I want to add fruits in the list, so if we will go on this list, can you see that there is a plus sign here?
Yeah.
Okay. If I will click on this plus sign, now we can add items. Okay. Now I will write apple. Okay. And then I will press enter. Now it will go on the second option. Okay. Now I will write mango. And then I will press
I
enter.
thought these names were the variables.
These are not variables. These are the items stored in the list. Okay, Mina?
Okay, they looked kind of orange, so I thought.
Yes, yes. It looks like variables, but this is not a variable. Okay.
Okay.
This is a list. Our list name is fruit, and fruit contains many different items in it. Okay.
Okay.
Now we can add. Okay, tell me the name of fruits, Mina.
Peach.
What are you saying?
Peach.
Peach.
Yes.
Okay, peach. More.
Cherry.
Cherry.
Orange.
Orange. I think that's good.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Mina and Yahya, you can see that we have added 5 items in the list. Okay. We have added 5 items in the list. That's why you can see that there it is written that length 5. Length 5 means that our list length is 5. Okay.
Okay. Because it has too many things inside, so it makes
Yes,
it.
yes, because it has 5 items in it. That's why its length is 5. Okay.
Okay.
Mina and Yahya, do you have any question or confusion till here?
No.
Is everything clear?
Yes.
All
Yes.
right. Now, what was happening when I was clicking on the green flag, Mina?
When you clicked on the green flag, there was this list with names inside, and Abby was asking which fruit do you want.
Okay, so how I will code?
You will go to the sensing block and you will get the ask block in Abby's section, and then you will write which fruit do you want, and when you press first you'll add when green flag clicked,
Okay.
ask which fruit do you want.
All right. Thank you, Mina. We will go in the events and we will use that when green flag click. Okay, and then we will go in the sensing that ask
Which fruit do you want?
which fruit do you want? Okay. Now, if I will click on the green flag, Abby is asking which fruit do you want? Now, what I want is that if I write the name of the fruit which is present in the list, so Abby should say that okay. And if I write the name of a fruit which is not present in the list, so it should say that we don't have it. Okay, that was happening.
Yes. I know how to do it.
All right. So how we will do it is that when green flag click, ask which fruit do you want. Now we will use the if
If
else
else.
block. Okay. We will go in the controls and then we will use this block if else. Okay.
Okay. I knew that.
If else block. Now what we will do, we will go in the variables. Okay. And then from here, can you see that there is a block fruit contains thing and question mark?
Okay.
Okay, we have to use this block inside if. Okay,
Can I tell you the whole code?
now we will go in the sensing and we will pick this answer block and we will put it right here. Okay,
Okay. Can I
what
tell you
does,
the whole code?
what does this block do is that if fruit contains answer, what does it means that if fruit, what is fruit? Fruit is the name of our list. Okay,
Okay.
if fruit contains answer. Why are we checking? Because the question is that which fruit do you want? If I will write apple, so what will it check? That if fruit contains, that if our list contains that answer, if our list will contain apple, if I have written apple, so what should it say? That we will go in the looks, okay, and then we will write here that if fruit contains answer, then it should say okay. Okay, and in the else, what will be, we will write here in else?
Sorry, we don't have it.
Yes, sorry,
We.
we don't have it. Okay,
Okay.
now our code is that when green flag clicked, ask which fruit do you want. When I will click on the green flag, Abby will ask us that which fruit do you want. If I will write apple or if I will write mango, so what will it do? That it will check that if fruit contains answer, it means that it will check that if our answer which we have written is present in the list or not. If it is present, so Abby will say okay. And if it is not present, so Abby will say, sorry, we don't have it. Okay, Mina and Yaya?
Okay.
Do
But
you?
then after when she said that, oh sorry, we don't have that. When she said both of these, she was gone. And the list
Yeah,
was
she
also
was gone. Now, first of all, we will check that if our code is working or not. I will click on the green flag and Abby is asking which fruit do you want. If I will write here cherry and I press the enter key, so Abby will say okay. And if I write a fruit which is not present here, for example, we don't have,
pomegranate.
yes, if we, okay, we can write anything. If we don't have watermelon here, so what will it say? That sorry, we don't have it. In the project I shown you in the start of the class, what was happening, that Abby was hiding.
Yes.
Okay, so what we will do, that we will go in the looks and we will use the hide block, where we will use the hide block that after she says okay and after she says sorry we don't have it. Okay, and when Abby should show when we click on the green flag. Okay,
Okay.
now if I will click on the green flag, Abby will ask which fruit do you want. If I will write mango here, okay, she will say okay and she will hide. What was happening? That list was also hiding. Do you remember it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So if you want to hide or show the list, we will go in the variables and from the blocks of list, we can see that there are two blocks, show list fruit and hide list fruit. Can you see it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So whenever you want to hide a list, I want to hide the list here and I want to hide the list here. and I want to show the list when I click on the green flag. Okay. Now, if I will press the green flag, Abby will ask which fruit do you want. Okay, I will write apple. Okay, so she will say okay, and then both the things will hide. Okay.
But sir,
Yes.
wasn't in yours going like this? First, Abby was shown, and then she asked us, and then oh no, it wasn't. Nothing.
Nothing. Okay. So Mina and Yaya, do you have any confusion till here?
No.
All right. Now I'm stop sharing my screen. Okay. And now you both have to start sharing your screen and you both have to do the same work. Okay. But what you can change is that you can change the sprites. Okay. You can choose any sprite you want. You can choose any backdrop you want. Okay. And you,
Coding should be same.
yes, the coding should be same. The concept should be same. Okay.
Okay.